10 and Auto Electronics here. We've had some video or questions about our original video, the S-Class. What do you do if you put in your unlock keys and pull it and either the key comes out or the key doesn't do anything? You pull it, doesn't come out. Well, in this case, you can take a plastic dash tool. Don't use a screwdriver. This is a salvage car, so it doesn't matter. But you want to put it right in between the cluster and the dash and just give it a pop and it'll come right out. And then you can take your keys out afterwards. This sometimes happens in hotter climates in the Southwest, or if clusters have never been removed. Again, here's another view. Very gentle pressure. It does not take much to pop it loose. So thanks for watching. Get your S-Class clusters out carefully and take care.